Hi, Seth Amazon here, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, I'm doing this video in response to a comment I had got about someone who was trying to get the IBAN number and the BIC code for setting up the Amazon KDP account session. So, what you need to do is actually very simple. I'll try to make this video very simple and short so that you can be able to navigate as fast as possible. So, what you want to do is to come to this website called iban.com, iban.com. So, once you're here in this platform, what you just need to do is to click on, first of all, you click on this part that says calculate IBAN, right? So, but before you do that, if you are setting up your account from third world countries, you probably are using a third party account provider like Gray and every other one that you might have used. So those particular platforms already gives you your IBAN and your BIC or SWIFT code. So you may not really need this. People that really need this are people in the first world countries like the UK, and Germany and every other country that may not exactly know what their IBAN is. So for most UK accounts, you know your sort code, you know your account number, but mostly you don't know your SWIFT code, and you likely do not know your IBAN. So what I'm going to do in this video is for you to understand how to get it. So what you want to do is to click on calculate IBAN. So once you have done that, depending on the country that you are trying to access this from, you can select that. So it's currently default at the United Kingdom based on this. So if you are trying to do this for any other country, you can see that there are many other country available here that you can also check. But for United Kingdom, you can just click on that. Then sort code. Like I said, most accounts in the UK already know what their sort codes are. So for your case, you can just use your sort code. So I'm going to try using my Revolut account to try this out. I already have my account linked to my Amazon KDP account, but I just want to try out using my Revolut to see how this comes out on. So what I would do here is to just type in my sort code here, 2909. Then I'll type in the account number here for this Revolut account. Yeah, just to check again that is correct here. So once you have done that, you just click on calculate and you wait. So once you have done that, you come down here and you would see that everything will be calculated down here for you. So like you can see here, I have my IBAN, which is here. The account number is here. The sort code is here. The bank Revolut, branch, BIC. So this is the BIC code or the SWIFT code. But even more people do not know what their BIC really is. So this is one way to really quick get it. Um, then after getting all this information, what you can do is to just copy this. If you want to take the pain again to go ahead to verify, you can click on check IBAN to see if it's correct or not. But you wouldn't really need that. So just click on that and copy, and then you come to Amazon and paste the IBAN here. Then return to this part. Then come here and copy your BIC code. Return to Amazon and paste here. So after you have done that, of course, you now put in your other information like your date of birth, the account holder name as it appears on your bank account. Then you can also choose to select your address, whether a new address or the existing one already on your account. And once you've successfully done that, you click on add. I wouldn't want to add this because, of course, I already have my account linked to my own Amazon account. So try this and let me know if you get it correctly or if you find anything challenging on this particular issue. Do not hesitate to send me a message. Don't hesitate to drop a comment. I'm going to pick it up and look for other ways to assist you in getting that done. If this video was helpful to you, please don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button, like this video, share it to as many who you believe will benefit from it. Until I see you again, I remain at Amazon, and it is my pleasure to always create valuable content for you that moves your business forward, whether on Amazon KDP and every other digital skill. I'll see you on the next one.